Hey everybody, welcome into the Fallout Shelter. I want to thank everybody for joining me today. This will be real quick. If you have friends, relatives that do not believe in weather modification, they don't want to listen to anything you have to say, I'm going to share something with you today. I follow David Miles on Twitter, Miles Research Acquiesce. They're making it rain in Australia. And mainly because he followed me and he follows Mike Decker and Mike Morales and a couple others. And they laugh in our face because we're out here telling people that they're modifying the weather. People tell us we're crazy, and then companies put out stuff like this. So I'm showing you, this is my Twitter page, and you see who I follow. I got David Miles right there on top, Kart Racer below, Mike Morales. Go follow David Miles. Watch this video, rip the video from here, show this video to your friends and family. I don't care, but share this out. This is them bragging about the weather modification, bragging about being able to make it rain, and pointing it in our faces and laughing at us that says nobody will listen to you. I'm going to play this 1 minute 47-second rain to order commercial from David Miles, and then I'm going to be out. So I love you guys. I appreciate you all. I hope you're all having a great day and a great week. Rain to order, David Miles. Y'all check it out. Share it with friends and family. Share it everywhere. They're bragging about changing the weather now. It's all out in the open, and they don't care who knows it because they know nobody's listening to us.
We at Acquiesce are today committed to contribute to bringing an early end to the drought and the crisis in the Horn of Africa. Thank you.